We'll send an invitation to Mrs. Lisa. What a crowd there'll be. I hope to get knighted at Sir Richard Crosby!
And should you ever approach me in the future, I will delight in blowing your fucking brains out.
Bad and dangerous. That's what you wanna be.